true to life. I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up.
Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Time for a delicious moist banana loaf cake on the channel. It's going to be a banana loaf cake with some cinnamon in and some chocolate chips. It is my favorite banana loaf cake and it's just so good, so let's get started. A while back I had some ripe bananas that I was not going to use, so I just took the peel off, added it into a bag and then placed in the freezer for later use. Today I'm going to use some of those bananas and just blend them until you have a nice banana porridge. They don't have to have been in the freezer, you need to just use some ripe fresh bananas. My bananas are of course thawed, they are not frozen anymore when I blended them. In a bowl I'm going to whisk some sugar and soft room temperature butter together. In with some eggs, my banana porridge, some cinnamon, baking powder, flour, and last but not least, I'm just going to stir in some good quality dark chocolate chips. My oven is already at 160 degrees C or at about 320 degrees Fahrenheit convection. I prepared a bread tin with some parchment paper in. Add in all the batter and then the cake is ready to go into the oven for around 50 to 60 minutes. It really depends on how your oven is baking. Just check it after around 45 minutes and then check it again 5 minutes later and keep doing that until a knife or a toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool for at least 2 hours before you add on the icing. My icing is just icing sugar, unsweetened cocoa powder and water, and just until you have a delicious icing or glaze. You decide how much cocoa flavor you want in there and how much thickness you want in your glaze. If you want it thin, runny or very thick, it is up to you. I like mine nice and thick so it is easy to add on to the cake. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe for my banana loaf cake, and if you want to give it a go, all ingredients are down below as always.